outside. Birds are singing, flowers are blooming. On days like this, kids like you should be burning in hell.
One step left now, it's almost time. Show you what my determination has to left for you to get back to. You should prepare to just die. Like all your friends, you have a really good time.
But kids like you don't play by the rules. And guys like me, it ain't easy to be played for fools. So let's go, let the room get chiller. Let's go, dirty brother killer.
Go ahead, kill me again, I see you're able.
Such a beautiful day, the sun's shining in a beautiful way, gonna take a shower, brush my teeth, then
life is ultimately meaningless.
But I'll get out of the house, get on the road, top down, hands out, on my favorite song and nod to the rhythm.
The planet is being destroyed by your carbon emissions.
But I'll head to class, driving fast on every test till I pass, and my grades are screaming in my face. Hey!
98% of what you learn is a waste.
I